Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you don't want your computer cables to look like this, I really recommend this Tatofi cable organizer because you can pack your laptop charger very neatly, very organized, and that will also help you keep the charger in better condition. What I really like about this charger is that it actually has a case for the cube which protects it from any falls. It also comes with a protective rubber for each end of the cable because when you're using these cables, you're always bending them and tossing them around. So that will help for your cable to not break or bend in any weird way that it will damage it. So if you're looking for a very good quality organizer for your MacBook charger, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.